Hitachi Ops Center Automator provides cloud automation capabilities that reduce human effort, increase productivity, and lower operational costs. In real life, a cloud administrator has to combat a lot of challenges managing a hybrid cloud environment. One of the most generic user requests is to build an AWS EC2 instance and provision storage in shortest span of time. This simple user request is challenging when the cloud administrator has to use multiple tools and scripts. This video provides an overview of a service that offers automated storage, provisioning, and EC2 instance deployment in an AWS cloud environment in a simple and effective manner. The service template, which is named GPSE Provision New EC2 Instance and New Volume in VSP Attach Volume to EC2 Instance, lets you complete the following tasks. Deploy an EC2 instance in the AWS cloud. Provision a volume from a Hitachi Virtual Storage Platform (VSP) storage system connected to the AWS cloud using ISCA-Z. Attach and mount the volume to the EC2 instance. The cloud administrator preconfigures the service with default values, but you can choose to change the defaults. Information that the service uses, such as the AWS access key and AWS secret key, is saved internally and is not visible to the end user during execution. Let's walk through some of the important sections of the service configuration. The first section includes information on the EC2 AWS instance, such as the AWS AMI ID, instance type, and IP address, which is used for deployment. The AWS EC2 instance name is the name that appears in the AWS Cloud Instance login. The EC2 connection settings section stores the key pair details required for connecting to the AWS EC2 instance. The volume settings section allows you to enter the volume size. The resource criteria section is pre-configured by the cloud administrator, so you can ignore it. The host settings are internal to the storage administration, so you can use the default stored values. In our case, the host mode is Linux because the instance operating system is Linux. After job submission, the tasks associated with each section are completed and can be monitored using the job flow. At the end of the service process, the backend scripts are run to add the volume and mount the file system to the EC2 AWS instance. If you log into the EC2 AWS instance, you can see that the volume is attached as a disk with a mounted file system. User will find the instance created in the AWS EC2 instance dashboard. Ops Center Automator also provides the capability to provision storage into an existing AWS EC2 instance rather than a new one. Now that you know more about using Ops Center Automator for cloud automation, you can see that it's a simple process that can save time, reduce complexity, and improve efficiency for your organization. For template details, please visit the thread of Cloud Automation with Hitachi Ops Center Automator and Hitachi Ops Center Automator Community.